Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Hello Kitty as a black cat to celebrate Halloween. So let's get started. To draw this cute Hello Kitty, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big oval. And I'm going to come over nice and wide, say about this wide, and draw another oval. From there, I'm going to go ahead and just shade it all in. Maybe a little highlight, we'll see. Put a little circle right here. If it doesn't look good, I'll shade it all in black. And here as well. Okay, so now that my two ovals in, let's come in between the ovals about right here, and we're going to draw another oval for the nose. So a little bit smaller right here in the center. There. And then from there, we're going to start to draw a big oval to surround her face. So I'm going to come to the center of her eye, about right here, and then just go out a little bit wider, say about right here. Just give myself a point. Same thing on both sides. Let's say about that much approximately. And then I'm just going to draw a big curve around. So we just have to remember that we're going to be drawing a hoodie on her. So about right here, I'm going to go up, find my center, say about right here. So I know where I'm going since I'm drawing pretty big. And then we're going to come right back down to here. So whatever is easiest for you to draw this big oval to surround her face. So definitely turn the paper or your body if you need to. There. So we're going to do the same thing on the bottom. So we're just going to come around the eye. Right there. And let's bring this in a little bit more. And before I finish, if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and finish this curve. But I'm going to stop because in the center right here, I need to draw a bow. So right underneath this nose, just imagine this is coming through. I'm going to stop, and about right here, I'm going to draw a circle right here for the center of our bow. And I'm going to come out and draw the loops, and same thing here. Now come in here for center for our bow, and then the tail. There. And then whatever space I have left, I'm just going to go ahead and finish it off. There. And then let's come back in here, and we're going to, right where the eyes are, I'm just going to come in here before I forget and draw the whiskers. These are very important to make it a Hello Kitty, right? So same thing over here. Right here and here. And then we're going to draw her bow. So in this area, just imagine this hoodie is covering part of it. We're just going to come about right here on the sides and draw part of her bow. So these are the loops. Just tuck it into that area. There. So we're pretty much done with her face. Now let's go ahead and finish up the hoodie. So I'm going to come back right here and here, and I'm going to basically go up. So this is going to be a lot thinner right here, and then we're just going to start to get wider and go out. So same thing here. Just going to get wider as we come out. So I'm just going to imagine this big oval. So I'm just going to find my center again. So say about right here. Just going to give myself a point just so I know where I'm going. And I'll bring it up to there. So once again, let's bring this down. So this side's a little bit easier since we know where we're going. And connect. There, and always go back in and adjust it if you need to. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the ears for this black cat outfit. And so right about in this area, I'm going to come about right here and draw these big cat ears. About right here, I'm going to round it off and bring it in. And let's draw the inside. And let's do the same thing on the other side. So about right here and here. So once again, go up. we'll bring it down to about right here. So round off the tip and down. And once again, the inside. Now that we're done with the head, let's go ahead and draw the body. So I'm going to come back to where the bow is, and in this area right here, I'm just going to draw a soft curve that comes down on both sides. And then from there, I'm going to draw this big oval for the foot. So I'm just going to pass it a little bit. So let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw this ovalish circle and bring it down. So I just want to make sure I don't pass the center and connect. And same thing on the other side, about right here. So we're just going to pass this a little bit. And connect with the feet. And then whatever space you have left right about here, we're just going to go ahead and draw a soft curve. And then just connect it. And then for the hands, we're just going to come back right here and nice and simple, we're just going to curve it and bring it in. Same thing here. And bring it in. There. And then we have to draw a tail too, right? So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and pop out this tail, curl it up, and then we're just going to go ahead and thicken it. And bring it right back. There. And that is pretty much it for Hello Kitty as a black cat. Now to put her on the pumpkin, right, to make it even more festive. So if you want to do that, let's come back about right here. So she's sitting on the pumpkin, so about right here and here. We're going to pop out this big pumpkin. So hopefully you're going to have fun with this drawing, and you can make your own whatever face you want to put on your pumpkin or whatever shape you want. So I'm just going to come about here, bring it down for a very generic draw so cute pumpkin. It's going to come right here and just maybe put in 3 curves. One in the center and then out. Now just put in a little curve right there for a ridge. And then let's come back in here and we're going to put in draw so cute eyes, of course. So one big circle and another big one right here. And then let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here, 2 big circles and a curved line at the bottom and a shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. Let's come above each eye, and I'm just going to draw a soft curve. And in between the eyes, let's come right here. We're going to draw a little upside down. Well, no, actually, no, it's not. Just a triangle for the nose and then a mouth. So let's come right here, draw a big curve for a very happy pumpkin, and then put in a little tooth and connect. There. And that is pretty much it for this black cat, for Hello Kitty dressed up as a black cat to celebrate Halloween. I really hope you loved this and I helped you draw her fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.